Hello and welcome back to another episode on how to fix. In this video, we will learn how we can fix ESPN Plus login not working. For many people, ESPN Plus is a go-to streaming channel for all sort of live sports. In addition to game broadcast, it also has original content, documentaries, commentary and many more. On rare occasion, though, you might have trouble streaming ESPN on your device of choice. If ESPN is not working, follow all the steps and don't skip any part of this video to know exactly how to fix it. Now, the first thing you can do is to check your internet connection. Make sure you see a strong Wi-Fi signal strength indicator on your device you are trying to view ESPN. To double check, try using another app or open a web browser to make sure that your internet is working. Now, if you don't have any problem with internet, then move on to the second solution. Now, the second solution is to check if the ESPN server is down or not. Now, for that, head over to any web browser on your device. Now, in there, search for downdetector.com. Now, scroll and search for ESPN and see the report of ESPN. Now, if there's any report saying server is down, then you have to wait until it fixes the problem. But if it's not the case, then head over to the third solution. Now, for the third solution, clear the cache of the app. For that, tap and hold the app and there tap on app info button. Now, in there, tap on clear data button at the bottom. And there again tap on clear all data option. And now head over to your ESPN app and try to get logged into your account. Now, if this solution also didn't work, then you have the very last solution, that is to remove the app from your device and reinstall the app. Now, for doing that, tap and hold the app and there tap on remove button. And once your app get removed from your device, head over to the Play Store and there search for ESPN Plus and then tap on install button to install the app. Now, once your app get installed, tap and open up the app and try to get logged into your ESPN account. Now, this should solve your problem. Now, if this solution didn't work, then you have to contact the ESPN Care Center for the application or the official website. In rare cases, ESPN regional administrators might blacklist your account for not following their privacy policy. So get in touch with the customer support team and see if your account is valid or not. However, if you have any other alternative method to fix the problem, share it with us in the comment section. Now, that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.